It is Wednesday. We are pigeon watching. We're looking at pigeons. Do you want to get them? You want to get the pigeons?
Yeah.
Today I am filming, got a mad cat in the background. I'm filming a what I eat in a day low FODMAP version, and this morning I've already had a cup of tea and I've had 2 biscuits from a 4 biscuit pack. They were actually a little bit stale because I opened the pack a while ago, but I had these oat and stem ginger biscuits from Nen's. They're gluten free, they're actually really good. Kind of spicy, like ginger nut biscuits. So I'm having lunch now. This is actually probably not the best day to film this what I eat in a day, but it's very realistic. I'm not sure, like I don't have any lunch planned, so I'm just kind of making it up as I go. But I've got these Shah crisp bread things, and I've also got some pepperoni and some lacto-free soft cheese. So I might have like a little bit of a crisp bready cheesy pepperoni salady thing. In an ideal world I would have these crackers with some like proper cheese and tomatoes on, but I don't like I can have a small amount of tomato. Maybe I can have a little bit of tomato with it. Oh, G's having pasta. I am well gel. These are weird looking, look at that. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to spread anything on this. One's already broken as well. What are these? That reminds me of something, but I don't know what. Lacto-free cream cheese will probably still give me spots, because I don't think it's the lactose I'm intolerant to. I think it's the dairy in general, but let's try it. This is my 3rd week of being low FODMAP. And so far so good. Found some good dinners. I'm excited for tonight's dinner as well. This is literally the most unappetizing what I eat in a day ever. But this video will get better. I'm going to be doing some baking this afternoon. I've decided I've got some ingredients to make some really nice muffins and cookies. 2 things that I love and feel like I haven't been able to have since doing this. So yeah, I'm going to experiment with some recipes that I found online. I have changed my outfit because I took some Instagram pictures. We are now going to do some baking, aren't we, Maurice? Got some really nice recipes. I've got a savoury one and 2 sweet ones. That is a lot of food though to be cooking all at once. So I'm going to see how I go. I think I'm going to make the sweet treats first because I want some sweet treats in my life. This one loves baking. What are you looking at? It's literally, you can see where he gets his ragdoll traits. What are you doing? I will leave a link to these recipes down below, but I'm doing the Becky XL gluten-free chocolate chips, dairy-free low FODMAP cookies, and blueberry muffins with lemon from Carolyn's Kitchen, I think. They look really nice. And I also want to do like an aubergine dip, kind of like a baba ganoush, but obviously without garlic or onion. I've got some big aubergines that I can use for this. Got some gluten-free, milk-free, egg-free flour, and I've got some free from gluten rice flour as well, and I've got some like nuts and coconut and dark chocolate buttons. I am going to start with the muffins. I think so many ingredients, and I'm having a snack. I'm having a pack of Pom Bears because I feel a bit hungry. All the tools. I'm not very good at separating egg yolk from egg white, but I'm going to try it. Probably with eggshell in it. Oi noi. Smells really good. It smells very vanilla-y. Here they are so heavy. The blueberries were huge. So I hope this works. I'm going to put them in the oven now for 20 to 25 minutes. Next up, it is time for my cookies. I'm really excited about these. Whoa, that is so much sugar. Whoa, look at that, 100 on the dot. 100 grams of light brown sugar. Golden caster sugar here. I'm hoping that's the same thing. So much sugar. Oh my god. Oh, that's a bit too much. Oops. And I need to melt my margarine here. I need 120 grams of this. I'm gonna melt it in a bowl. That is a lot of butter. This is so bad for you. Oh my god. Mix your light brown caster sugar with your melted margarine on it. I need to add chocolate chips. But I don't have chocolate chips, but what I do have are chocolate buttons and these cacao nibs. So I'm going to add cacao nibs into this. And these are tiny and they're really good. I'm going to sprinkle some of these in. I just got those from my local Sainsbury's, I think. They were quite expensive, but they're really nice. They add a nice bit of texture. I've just noticed I've got flour on this lens. Such a messy baker. I think I'm also going to add chocolate buttons in, but I'm going to chop them up a tiny bit. They're smaller. This is so hard. This is so much flour. It's very like thick. Where are my buttons? I'm going to cut into one of our muffins and eat it. We're going to do a taste test. They do look more like scones. Oh wow, that looks so good. Look at that.
We call it a scoffin.
A scoffin. I've invented a scoffin. Look how good that looks. You're going to have to come down on my level. Let me take a pic first. What bit do you want? Oh god, I haven't done this very well.
What are you doing? Why are you cutting it into tiny bits?
Oh, it smells very lemony. Oh.
Why have you done that?
I don't know. How is it? Is it gross?
It's definitely more scone than muff.
That's so weird.
Blueberries scone.
It has no flavour to it. Why does that not taste like anything? Tastes like...
What are you doing?
Lemon dishwater it tastes like. What is that? What have I made here? It's all stuck to the paper, that's why. I have just put my first batch of cookies in. I was going to make my baba ganoush thing, but my aubergine is not looking very nice. So I'm going to get some more aubergine in my next food shop and do that next time. But I'm very excited about my cookies. Much more excited than I am about my muffins. Also drinking some lemon water. My cookies came out the oven. This is what they look like. They taste like fish. I don't know what's going on here, but my muffins taste like lemon dishwater and my cookies taste like fish. It's great. We're prepping dinner now. We're doing a 1-pan chicken and rice dish, which I haven't made before, but it calls for wrapping the chicken up in cling film and bashing it out. So I'm gonna have a go at this with a rolling pin. Sorry, Maurice.
You can't understand why we can't just eat out of a tin like he does.
Should I do a video what my cat eats in a day? I guess that'll do. Right, and now I'm gonna cook my chicken. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna sprinkle each side with salt, pepper, cumin and paprika. Got 2 pans on the go because got to have one for lunch tomorrow as well. But it's, yeah, like everything happens in 1 pan. So I'm just frying the chicken. Then gonna fry the veg. Oh, that smells so good. Then gonna add the rice and stock in. So this is what it looks like. The rice has gone in, the spices, and we put the chicken back in to finish cooking. I'm really intrigued by this. It's also got some stock in it. These stock cubes, Massel 7, they're low FODMAP. They don't have gluten, lactose, cholesterol, onion and garlic. They're pretty good stuff, that. Here it is. Looks really good. This is our one for lunch tomorrow. Okay, it doesn't look the most appetizing in this lighting, but I am really excited about this. I've sprinkled coriander on top as well. My cookies are rock hard. I don't think cookies are supposed to be like that.
Chatting all over the pottery.
Sorry.
Chatting all over the pottery, throw down.
Babe, you're eating your biscuits, alright? Let me eat mine. Yeah, my biscuits aren't good, so I'm going to eat these. These are from Sainsbury's chocolate chip cookies. They are very nice. Gluten-free, milk-free. They're great. But they look like this. And they are different to normal cookies. They're crumbly. Baking with gluten-free stuff is different. It's got a different texture to it. Makeup is off. I'm going to go to bed now. But I hope you've enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. Hope it's given you some dinner meal inspo, even if you're not on low FODMAP. Yeah. Love you guys lots. See you soon.